Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a playlist in Magic Tiles 3. Creating your own playlist in Magic Tiles 3 lets you customize your music flow and play your favorite songs back to back without interruption. First of all, open up the Magic Tiles 3 application on your mobile device and then sign in with your Facebook or your Apple ID to save progress. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and find the song you'd like to add to your playlist and tap on the little plus icon right underneath the song. Now on the next page, click on Create Playlist. In order to create your own playlist, you'll need to get premium access on Magic Tiles 3. Go ahead and start up your free days trial by tapping on Try Free Now and follow through the payment process. After paying for the subscription, you will then be able to create your very own playlist on Magic Tiles 3. So in order to create a playlist, you'll need to be subscribed to the premium version of Magic Tiles 3. If you found the video was helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Thanks for watching.